Audio Jungle.
Good morning. Welcome to News Hunt. After 44 days, the single day COVID infection in Bengal and Jharkhand has dropped below 9,000, giving some relief to the state health department. Bengal has registered around 8,000 cases and Jharkhand has registered nearly 3,000 cases. Nearly 8 lakh doses of COVID vaccine have arrived in the city today. The total number of fatalities have gone nearly to the 15,500 and new deaths being reported at 135. To know that where the cases have reduced, we have reporters from different parts. Firstly, we have Neha Kormukar from Thakuria. Neha, how's the situation there?
In Thakuria, the population is around 58,000 under KMC block number 91. After surveying this area, we found out approx 1,000 COVID cases in last 28 days. In last 24 hours, there are 700 COVID tests are done, in which 80 are came positive. We are providing test labs and vaccination for this area. Also, there are approx 24 isolation beds are added today, and plenty number of ventilators are installed. Also, they are arranging non-COVID wings. For vaccination, you have to go to their website. Local markets are following new opening and closing times as per government guidelines. At last, we want to conclude that please stay at home, wear a mask, maintain a social distance as way as possible. Signing off, Neha Kormukar.
Now we will look into Lake Town and we have Preeti Roy reporting there. Preeti, have the cases reduced there?
As per the updates, 12 more people tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total number of active cases in the state 3,000. Traffic police distributing indoor game sets, stationery items along with the basic food items and dry ration. So far, 15 to 20 people have been vaccinated and the rest groups are left to be forwarded with the process. Coming back to the COVID cases are approx 88, people deceased 30 and recovered 20. Please wear a mask, maintain a social distance, stay safe and stay at home. Signing off, Preeti Roy.
Abhishek Sharma reporting from Howrah. Abhishek, how's the scenario there?
The coronavirus containment zone Howrah have now risen to 121 as cases rise in Kolkata's satellite city. The West Bengal state have been reporting its highest ever COVID-19 case tally on a daily basis, with the total number of infection reaching the mark of around 13.9 lakhs, which included 15,678 deaths till now to be more precise. As the second wave surging in rapidly, the cases in Howrah district rose to 59, out of which 18 have already been recovered. This is Abhishek Sharma signing off. Stay tuned to our news for more corona update.
Next we have Sneha Bhattacharya reporting from Kamalgachi.
During this pandemic situation, we bring you the latest update from Kamalgachi of South 24 Parganas. In Kamalgachi area, markets are not being overcrowded as of now. Strict rules have been followed by the citizens. But in spite of the time scheduled by the state government, people are still found going out without wearing a mask and at the odd timings. But the number of people visiting outside have minimized as of the present times. As per the recent data, it says 41 people are affected in South 24 Parganas, West Bengal by novel coronavirus COVID-19. 15 patients have recovered as of now. 5 patients have died due to COVID-19 in South 24 Parganas, West Bengal. 21 patients are recovering and they are in hospital. The last recorded case of COVID-19 in South 24 Parganas was recorded 35 minutes ago. Please wear a mask and stay safe. Thank you. This was Neha Bhattacharya signing out from Kamalgachi.
Lastly, we have Sneha Kumari reporting from Jharkhand. Sneha would let it on the scenario there.
Currently, it records 4,300 new cases and 103 deaths. The state government on Tuesday has extended the partial lockdown till June 10, but now announced a host of relaxation for unlock by dividing all the districts into two categories on the basis of COVID-19 and new infection to implement. As per the new arrangement in 9 districts which are classified under the high infection categories, all shops except jewelries, footwears and garment will be allowed to open. The districts include Ranchi, Dhanbad, Devgarh, Hazaribagh, Gumla and Ramgarh. In the remaining 15 districts, all the categories of shop are now allowed but only till 2 p.m. while malls and multi-brand shop will continue to remain shut. Watch the ground report from the East Singhbhum, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
After hearing from the reporters, it is good to hear that things are changing and this lockdown has helped us a lot. As the doses are available now, it's humble request that everyone should get vaccinated as soon as possible. There is still a ray of hope and India will surely win the fight over this virus very soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. For further updates, stay tuned to News Hunt.